What's up guys, welcome to a new video. Today I just want to talk a bit about this amazing game that I have been following for already a long time, already pretty much a year I would say. So I've been following all the process through Twitter, and I'm loving how this game is looking. So let me just hit play and just talk about the game, which is made in Unreal Engine 5. So this is a survival co-op game where every time you play is a new procedural world. It is amazing. I love the art style and the things that you can do. Like, look at the bunny. I literally love it. And this game is only being made by 5 people. It's a team of 5 people, which is crazy. So I've talked with some of the devs through Twitter, and they seem super, experienced and super excited about making this game, which I love. So you can tune in into the Discord if you want to talk about with them. As you can see, you can build your own bases, and you have two modes. You have this kind of placement, we could say like Ark, and then this kind of more like Sons of the Forest, where you slowly build with your plant. Look at this, guys! All this made by 5 people, which is insane. I really love the visuals and art style. Really cool. And of course, all of this powered with the latest Unreal Engine 5.3, which is amazing. So literally the last tech over here being used. So I am super excited to see more about this game. They put some clips to Twitter, so make sure to check it out. It is called Under the Rock, as you can see. So, I will be linking in the description in case you want to take a look. So yeah, it was just a quick video. I just wanted to kind of share a bit this game, which is being made in Unreal Engine 5. I love every so often share, projects being made in Unreal Engine 5 that, gets my attention. So, just go ahead and give some love to the creator, check it out, and I think it looks absolutely amazing. So with that said, I have lots of Unreal Engine 5 tutorials in my YouTube channel if you want to check them out. Join my Discord server to talk with other game devs. Check out my Patreon and YouTube members for lots of benefits. And with all that said, bye bye.